germinate quickly and grow healthily, I require good soil. I use chopped aloe vera and put it in the soil as nutrients. I choose old and firm seeds to sow. It's great that the broken trash can I used to grow bitter melon at home. I punched holes around for drainage. I took a water bottle to pour water. I punched a hole and put a wick in so the wick could seep from the water to the soil. To make the soil good, I mix worm castings into the soil to increase nutrients when planting plants. Just a few days, and the seeds have sprouted and grown into very healthy young plants. I will plant them. put water in the bottle so the wick can automatically absorb moisture for the plant. This is the stage where the plant is growing and needs climbing space. I use bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the plant to climb. Now, I will give the plant more nutrients. I put worm castings at the base and put soil on top to help the plant stand firmer and healthier. I bury chicken eggs in the roots. When the eggs rot, they will release nutrients to help the plant grow healthily and increase its resistance to pests and diseases. I keep adding water to keep the plant moist. This is the stage when the plant is flowering, so pests and fungi invade very quickly. I mix garlic with water and spray it on the plant. At this stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients. I mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the plant. This liquid fertilizer is taken from sea fish soaked for a long time. It's amazing that after only 2 months, the tree I planted has produced a lot of fruit. I will pick it and cook it for my family to enjoy. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.